How to fix push notifications not working in Windows. This solution addresses the most common reason for push notifications not working, which is them being turned off in system settings. Windows allows users to customize which notifications they receive, and it's possible to accidentally or intentionally disable them. Below, scroll through the list of apps to ensure that individual app notifications are also enabled. If specific apps aren't sending notifications, they might be malfunctioning. Re-registering them can reset them to their default states. Type PowerShell in Windows search. Right-click on PowerShell and select Run as Administrator. Copy and paste the command that you will find in the description of this video. Now restart your computer and try again, and your problem should be fixed. If that didn't work, now try again and your problem should be fixed.